What are we doing this Friday night? One of us is fighting some sort of ball toy, and one of us is trying to relax. Hi, I'm Kaylin, the author of The Parrots Bond, your handbook to help you have a blissful bond with your parrot so that you can provide quality, all the quality things your parrot needs for his or her life, so that you can then have quantities of bliss. I'm trying to have Binks, my golden conure, come over to Quantum, but it's not working. Yeah, today we're hanging out. The new baby's doing great. In a minute, I'll try to go up and get her, but she is still hand feeding, so she's sort of like in a nursery. Here, go with your buddy. These two are like best buds. What is it? What is it? And so, so she's not down here with the big birds because you can't put, you know, bigger birds with young'uns. There's my Macy, who adores me. Oh, and I was going to give you guys an update on the capes. You know, it's so interesting. So, capes are supposed to be it's a female hierarchy, or I don't know if that's the right phrasing. It's the females are more dominant, and Macy sure has been bossing the males around, but just lately it's kind of changed, and the two boys are kind of like putting Macy in her place. So it's been kind of interesting. So Macy, he still wants to hang out with me, and is still looking for me, but you see that? Quantum's like, this is my space. Here's another interesting development. You could see the orange right above my thumb on Macy's shoulders. They're really coming out. They're starting to come out on Quantum. You could see that. That means they're juveniles. You know, they're not full-fledged adults yet, and they're not necessarily sexually mature yet, but Macy may be getting close to that. Do you want to stay on my shoulder? Do you want to come? And Lorenzo's like, what? And let's go over here and check out Tesla, whose shoulders, do you see that? His shoulders are really showing. And there's that beak at work. So it's kind of interesting. We're like surprised, and we're watching to see what happens, because the boys really seem to be, you know, no longer taking Macy bossing them around. So kind of fun and kind of awesome. There's our Friday night. More later.